Good morning viewers, Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh, and welcome back to the Sailor's Delight. Friends, this is how the navigational bridge of the ship looks like. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ship के सारे controls होते हैं. This is the steering wheel of the ship. इससे जहाज steer करते हैं and we maintain the heading. Just on top of that आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे we have the gyro compass, जिससे ship की heading maintain की जाती है. Here you can see we have the radar and ECDIS. ECDIS is electronic chart display information system, which gives the position of the ship at all times. This is the second radar and the second ECDIS. Here you can see we have the GPS global positioning system, जो ship की position depending upon latitude longitude हमेशा दिखाता है. Here we have some navigational and deck lights panel. This is the VHF, जिससे हम communications control करते हैं with the port authorities or with any other ship. Here we have a small coffee station to have some refreshment. This is the chart table. Here you can see the echo sounder, which gives the depth below the ship of the seabed. यहाँ पे एक navtex receiver होता है जो navigational warnings हमको हमेशा दिखाता है. Here is the second GPS. This is the GMDSS station, जिससे हम again communications control करते हैं through other port authorities and other ships. So this is how the navigational bridge of the ship looks like. This is one of the accommodation deck alleyways, जिसमें कुछ crew के cabins हैं. Like here you can see with their name and identification all posted on the doors. This is the C deck of the accommodation, and this is the staircase area. And here in the corner on the port side is my cabin, that is the chief officer's cabin. This is the officer's mess room. This is the crew mess room. This is the ship's galley, and here you can see the chief cook is hiding his face. यहाँ पे हम Filipino, Indian हर टाइप का खाना बनाते हैं. Actually the chief cook makes, and this is one of the most important places on board. Third, can you just call the person on the radio and tell him to meet me in the ship's office? It's very urgent. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
This about this cargo hold. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Okay, we will finish this gray. We will finish this primer gray. Then after that, we will wait for their advice. Whether they will continue this by scrubbing with thinner, or
I think we have to continue.
Yeah, okay.
And they will not
Yeah,
stop.
yeah, but for sure, because what we have what Kiran said is we will do this cargo hold until we are on the remaining days here in port.
Yeah.
But maybe please you can ask captain
We
that
try to preparation.
this next week give us to prepare our ship for
That I already discussed with captain. This week we will do cargo holds. From Monday onwards, will be prioritized the arrival preparation. Like maybe we require bridge wing washing also, the ropes also, drain all this dip trays because it's raining continuously. Clean everything. Prepare basically arrival preparation.
Okay, check out. Then because also I need to finish this packing for the manhole for the catwalk, so we need to install this also before we close this manhole, so that everything will be ready for inspection. Okay, Chen? Okay, so we will proceed.
Yeah, you can go ahead, but no red.
Okay.
And evening I'm on the bridge, we will see the regulation.
Okay,
What we can see.
okay,
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 thanks.
Chef.
Thank you.
Okay.
Guys, I'm going to the engine room now, and I will show you how the engine room of the ship looks like.
Video.